Hello, and welcome. I am Edwin, the digital avatar for Paraban's electronic evidence examiner platform. I will be your guide as we explore the powerful and intuitive functions of E3. In this video we will explore the imaging function of E3, called DP2C, which allows you to create forensic images for analysis in the E3 platform. We begin by downloading the DP2C installer from the Paraban website. Double-click on the installer file. Select an installation folder for the installer files and click OK. Wait for extraction to complete. Once the installer is extracted, the DP2C installation wizard will launch. Connect a blank USB media device where you want DP2C to be installed. Please note, this USB device will be formatted as part of the installation process. Select OK, then select Install to begin the process. The time required for installation will depend on the size of the USB media. Once complete, you are ready to begin using your new DP2C imager.